All right.
So Steve, are we telling the subs what these are for or no?
I think we'll kind of meet in the middle, all right?
All right.
Brand new exhaust system. I'm gonna give you my one and only hint before we show it to you what it is going on, and it is a brand new car that I am getting. There's your hint. Fantastic. I am extremely pumped about this exhaust system. It was, what, $8,000?
I have not been as excited about an exhaust since the Senna. This thing is gonna be insane.
Exciting. Speaking of exhaust. Actually, that one does have aftermarket
It does.
as well. That one will.
Natalia's exhausted, is that what she's saying?
Yeah, I was gonna say. Her exhaust system's dang. We were told 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, right?
Yeah, that's
And
got
it
here
arrived
in like
a few days.
5 days, yeah.
So the car arrives actually the car arrives tonight. And
does.
I can't believe this beat the car here when we thought this was gonna be 3 weeks
And
out.
we have 3 cars arriving in the near future. One of them arrived yesterday, 2 days ago. The exhaust is being installed right now. Wheels are getting tires mounted today. This car arrives tonight. We already have the exhaust ready.
Yes.
And then is there one more getting exhaust? I feel like there's something else.
The other one has exhaust and wheels, unless you already said that.
Yes, that one's exhaust and wheels.
We try to be nice and ready so
Everything.
that these cars hit the ground looking the way we want them to look. Know what I'm saying?
I heard that, player.
All right. Wow.
That's very interesting.
There's $7,900, folks. This is the price you can command when you build exhaust systems for extremely rare and exotic vehicles. There's your next clue.
But I've heard that.
I poked it to try and open it. There's $1,000 that's in the wrapping. Ready? I'll hold it. You poke it.
Oh.
What?
Yeah, I'm just better than you in every
full
way.
of amazing
Except my
talents,
wallet.
McGee.
Supposedly, Tubi's been making exhausts for this company for a long, long time. So I have high hopes for how this thing's gonna sound.
High hopes. Tommy's got high hopes. Oy.
Steve knows. This is a titanium Tubi exhaust straight pipe. We've already said it, but I'm so freaking excited
Dude,
for
this
this.
is definitely titanium. It is light AF, G.
Let's touch tips.
You guys can sword fight.
Whoa, bro. All right, next one.
Oh, so hot.
Harder.
APR, baby.
Isn't this Tommy's job? Where are the brackets? Like, I feel like there should be. Oh, you have them? Pull it off, baby.
Dang.
Dang, girl. Oh, it goes
Dang.
like this. There that wing is.
Dang!
Know what I'm saying?
Dang!
Guess what cars you think that each of these are going on? The exhaust system and this. Again, 2 different cars. That one, far more expensive. I'm
Right.
just saying, you know what I'm saying?
Steve's got that mother wang on him.
Tommy, would you think it'd be too revealing if I said that's going on the most expensive car that I'm paying for yet?
Yes.
Okay, don't include that.
Lawrence,
Yeah.
include that.
Do it.
This is the most expensive build he's done yet.
Yeah, that is actually true. We're actually gonna go and show you us unloading the vehicle tonight, so you're actually gonna find out exactly what that's for, the exhaust system.
That's actually
That was
just
my
for his
exhaust
butt.
system.
Yes.
All right, cool.
We'll see you tonight. As per usual, things didn't really quite go as planned, and the car is a little bit later than we anticipated, but it will be here shortly. It is the next morning. Steve, are you excited?
I am moderately excited.
Are you more excited for this car or Bruce Willis's limo that you just bought?
Bruce Willis's limo all day long. Seriously.
Someone help me.
Wait, not one, but now he has 2?
He has 2 limos.
Yes.
2.
Yes.
Why do you have 2 limos?
I need a redundant limousine for whenever the other one's out. I always need to have a classic vibe limo.
What would you do if I rear-ended someone in the limo, like as soon as it got here?
Both of them are out, I would rear-end you.
He's gonna do that either way. He'd buy a 3rd one.
Yeah, I'd buy a 3rd one for real. Yep, I'll just have like 12 limos.
His garage in his house is just
fleet.
limos.
We do a pop-up meet and it's just 12 limos rolling up.
Oh, they're there, they're there. Just kidding.
Suckers.
Suckers.
I just punch him in the face. As per usual, Natalia's in her natural habitat, sitting.
Oh, there it is. Dang, bro. It's cold out here.
It looks wide. That's
That's what
nuts.
she said.
That looks like a
Oh,
Ferrari.
cool.
I mean,
What? Yeah, what is it, Tommy?
Is
Do you
it
know what it is?
Is it a real Ferrari?
no.
Is it one of the knockoffs?
It's
There's
a
a recreation,
It's a Pontiac Fiero body kit.
Yes.
The
That's what I
LeFerrari
thought. He
body
couldn't
kit.
afford a real one.
You can turn a Fiero into anything, man.
Why do we even even getting exhaust.
It sounds amazing as is, but it can sound more amazing. Because Steve, that's why.
Are we sure it doesn't already have one?
Yes. Yes, I'm sure.
Is it PPF?
No, it is not PPF.
Bro.
Just like every other car, the day we get it, the first time it's seen rain.
You know what else we do with every other car?
Are those the actual factory wheels?
Do you know what else we do with every other car? Donuts. Every time.
Yep. Guess what we get to go do, Steve?
Oh shoot!
Let's go.
What's up?
You have to. It's tradition.
Are those the factory wheels?
Yes, of course.
Logan first in it, I love it.
I am first in this car.
Oh, that's
The thing
comfortable.
is, Steve literally doesn't care.
Holy comfortable, I really don't.
Dude, look at your head. Oh my god.
No, it goes.
I don't fit in it.
Dude, I'd have to keep it. That'd be a bummer.
Because
I'm taller than he is.
This seat is really comfortable.
That's what I've heard.
I just want to point that out.
Steve, what's up next to you?
Long story, but basically it was supposed to be repaired at a certain Ferrari dealership in a certain city in Fort Lauderdale. I don't want to get too specific. And there was a lot of failures that kind of happened, so we said, we're not waiting anymore. Just ship it back to us. We'll deal with this few repairs that needed to be done here.
That is the most Steve thing that has ever happened. I've heard it my entire life.
After 3-4 weeks of excuses, I'm like, I'm done.
Yeah, wait, hand. So we've had this car for a while. We've had it bought for a while.
Yeah, like a month, right? Or no, like, yeah.
It's been a month about. So this thing is custom. So that's from the past owner. So you can get that to say anything you want.
Hamilton?
We should do Steve with a cash sign for the S.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be tight. So
Can I
that's
open up the
fascinating.
passenger
We will have to get that fixed.
Yes.
And we are dropping this straight off at Chicago Auto Pros because we're gonna get this wrapped in like a matte / satin wrap. And so, yeah, I'm just not. I like gloss split. We want to set it apart from most LeFerraris that you see. Chicago Auto Pros is our go-to place for anything PPF, anything wrap. These guys do a freaking awesome job at a great price, so we'll continue to come here.
This actually, this reject. There you go.
It just crashed.
Wow, dude. There's a lot of orange stuff over there.
One of few V12s that Steve owns.
Flexing.
What's in there, bro?
That's got to be the oil fill, right?
Boom.
This thing open.
It says Ferrari.
Oh, now it's. Yes. Can this be a license plate? Just this?
For the right amount of
Just
money.
render that on an Illinois license plate, just a hand like this.
Can we get a fake
Yes.
Liberty plate and just
Let's
put it
do
there?
it. Just an Illinois
It's
plate
done.
with a hand like this.
It's done and done. Speaking of fake livery plate, come here, Natalia. Quickly. You don't know about it. We ordered a fake Illinois plate for Tommy, but it looks real, and it says THC. We're gonna swap it out. What is it? What does it come in?
It just got shipped.
Oh, dude, we're gonna swap it out. He's gonna think it's a real Illinois plate, but there's no way they'd approve. So let's see how that goes.
Is it like
It looks-
indented
it looks
too?
pretty- yes.
Yeah, it should be
Very
100%
everything.
legit.
Oh, bet.
It's gonna be
So
great.
we're just gonna swap it and see if he knows. The expedited license plate and your mom's license.
Oh, I figured he would do it.
Can you believe they let THC slide?
That's good. I mean, it looks nothing like a real. It looks like he drew on it. You missed.
It's horrible.
It looks really bad.
Bro, this is a terrible plate. Bro, that plate sucks.
Didn't even get him $50. All that time. Oh well, he's got to go put the other one back on.
I told Steve it's a 50-footer.
We were 50 feet away. He still knew.
Dude, you when you texted me, you said the color's one shade off. This color is like 15 shades off.
This is the old plate too. Illinois has a completely
I
new
know.
license.
That's what I asked him. I was like, I literally asked him. I was like, did you get a different design?
I'm going on vacation. I don't know.
Tommy is amazing.
Wait, Steve, wanted something cool? Come here. So this seat doesn't move at all.
The steering wheel.
The steering wheel and there's a lever right here that moves the pedals.
Very cool. Oh wow,
Isn't that crazy?
that's pretty neat.
So the seat is locked in place and the pedals move and the steering wheel moves.
I'm excited.
It saves weight so there aren't tracks under the seat. Isn't that amazing?
I feel like that causes more weight.
Supposedly it's not.
Oh, I can fit. Oh,
That's what she said.
It's far.
That's the whole point.
The right side of your seat.
Oh my god.
It's like I just said that. Isn't that crazy? That's weird.
Well, it doesn't make sense to me that that pedals can move.
It's lighter.
It feels like
Nope.
it feels like a race car. It does.
You wanna go to donuts?
Yeah, baby girl. Let's do it. Then we'll have 2 Ferraris with check engine lights.
That sounds so good, man. That's much louder.
Just imagine
than I
that straight
expected.
piped.
Oh, it's gonna be real good.
Valve's just closed.
That was fast.
I know.
Does it have a switch like the Porsche did to open the valves? Why is there an American flag right there? Is that just because it's US spec?
It might be the person who spec'd it put that there.
Interesting.
All right, bro. You ready to go drive it?
Yeah,
All
let's
right,
do it.
let's go with it. So what do you think about it?
The definition of SEX. Jack,
It's
close your
just the definition of sex. Not sexy, just sex.
Just 6.
That look at it. Holy crap, dude.
You know what's crazy? We're gonna be driving.
That's pre-exhaust too. I know. I'm like dead, dude. That's
A
nuts.
truck?
That's one of the best looking cars in the
lawnmower?
collection.
I really like it a lot more than I thought I was going to.
Watch him do donuts around the corner. That's like something Steve
I know,
would do.
I know. He's gonna go do it over there and then be like, "You guys didn't get it?"
Alright, let's take a quick drive around. Boom. Mirror adjustments. Every car is a new
Dude, this is
test.
like this reminds me of your other Ferrari, the 488, but so nice.
It like the front fenders. I remember test driving. I think it was a C3, the shark body, and I remember the fenders being just like this, where it's like this car is. It's so weird.
We're like, yeah, the fenders are on the outside coming over.
Yes.
Like, yep.
You want to race, guy? Come on. All right, let's do this. It sounds amazing.
Oh my. Steve, how does it feel? You completed the Holy Trinity.
Yay! High five! This is a really nice driving car. It reminds me a lot of my McLarens. Like, it feels really lightweight, agile. It sounds really nice. Get a little loose there. So we're good. How about that, bro? Dude,
This is fun.
It is really nice.
I really like this car.
All right, we gotta go do some. Where are we gonna do donuts? I kid you not, easiest car to
It
do donuts.
smells
It sent it full RPMs when it was either even when you press
Bro,
the gas lightly.
your tires are literally smoky.
Oh shit, bro. There we go.
It smells so bad.
Easiest car then.
Good, bro.
Tommy, he said this is the easiest car he's ever done donuts in.
Steve, do you want her to do 2 more for good measure?
Yeah, can you do a couple more?
Take that. You just stayed there. Like, you could have got out of the way. He's like, I'm gonna give this shot. I'm gonna give.
It was good, right? It was good. You almost killed me. You almost killed me.
Sacrifice the body.
I cannot wait for you to see the thing on the road. It is nuts. What do you think? First impressions?
My first impressions are, so every brand new car that I get when I go drive it always has a little bit extra nut. Now some of them, like the 918, my first impression was like, okay, this is cool, and then it elevated. This one actually feels amazing, by the way. The braking is better than the average Hyper. Acceleration, impossible to tell because it was in the rain. I mean, doing donuts, but like, it's 2.4
2.4, I think, or 2.3 factor. It's fast.
Steers, feels comfortable, amazing. Like this might be like, this very well might be on that top 3 list.
Your end all be all.
Good. Well, your Bugatti, that's one of the reasons you put 20 miles on it, is it's comfortable. Like it's not like with the, even the Y-Res like doesn't ride as well, and the 918 was pretty stiff at the beginning. But
This thing doing donuts, it was at like 8,000 RPMs. It just locked there and kept.
and it's not even straight piped yet. Dude,
Dude.
this thing's gonna be a monster.
Okay, so how much louder do
legit-
you think it's gonna be when it's straight?
Hopefully significantly. So I thoroughly enjoyed this. It was better than expected.
If anyone has ideas for a plate for this
Weight
car,
loss? Yeah, we needed some plates. I think LA space F space U would be funny.
Or
That's a
FU.
little aggressive. Yes. Or THC CEO. Oh wait, it's taken.
Wait,
Oh, shoot.
but law is the, so it'd be like the FU.
Yes. Which? It is.
That's really funny, Tommy.
I know. It's a good play idea.
Your fiance's in the background like,
I know. I know. I go.
it's kind of weak. It's kind of weak.
I know. She's like, I know. Well, she came up with Yuge Wang. That was her.
Oh, what?
Yes. That's like one of the best plays in the collection. It was her brainchild.
Street presence wise, it looks good. I'm just saying, someone sees a Bugatti, that's going to turn their head harder.
I disagree.
We already had this conversation.
No,
you
this-
guys agreed that the Bugatti commands
well, now
more.
I've seen it.
Steve, in person, if they were side by side, I think the Bugatti would, yes, take the cake. But on the road,
We're also
on,
used to
on,
the
on the road,
Exactly, yes.
this looks crazier.
You think so?
Road presence.
Which
This
one's
is.
gonna look better at night?
This one, hands
It's gonna
down.
blend in with the darkness.
Yeah.
It's invisible.
Like Batman, vengeance.
Thanks for joining us today. I hope you're as excited as I am. We need to get to 200,000 subscribers. Please hit that subscribe button below. Be sure to like, comment, and just thank you so much. It's because of you guys that we do what we do. Thank you.
It's really late.
I gotta try something.
You should do it on
It didn't work.
So do it out of your
His mouth right here, Tommy's mouth right there.